A tiny fossil skull discovered on a beach in Devon, England, is rewriting the story of lizard evolution. This 242-million-year-old reptile, described in a new study in Nature, is now recognized as the oldest confirmed member of Lepidosauria, the group that includes all living lizards, snakes, and New Zealand's Tuatara. Scientists named it Agriodontosaurus hellesbipetri, and although the skull is only 1.5 centimeters long, it carries enormous evolutionary importance. What makes this fossil so fascinating is not just its age but its unexpected mix of features. For years, paleontologists thought the earliest lepidosaurs would already show traits common in modern lizards, like a flexible skull and teeth on the roof of the mouth. But Agriodontosaurus breaks that idea. It does have an open lower temporal bar behind the jaw, but the other two traits are missing: no palatal teeth and no sign of a hinged skull. Instead, it has large triangular teeth, suggesting it was adapted to crunch through the hard exoskeletons of insects. This shows that many hallmark lepidosaur traits evolved later, step by step, rather than being present from the start. The fossil also resets the timeline. At 242 million years old, it pushes lepidosaur origins into the Middle Triassic, older than any known member of the group. That means the split between squamates, the ancestors of lizards and snakes, and rhynchocephalians, the lineage of the Tuatara, had already begun. What's striking is how this changes our view of early reptiles. The Tuatara is often called a living fossil, but Agriodontosaurus shows its ancestors were more experimental, with a mosaic of both primitive and novel traits. This tiny skull from Devon helps explain how lepidosaurs went on to become one of the most successful groups of land vertebrates, with more than 12,000 species alive today. Sometimes, a fossil smaller than a coin can transform our entire view of evolution.